Today, we will explore Feng Shui interior for the living room, where the entire family spends the most time during the day. The living room is a place where internal and external energies converge, influencing both wealth and harmony within the family. It is a crucial aspect of Feng Shui interior. Designing living room requires careful attention, considering that family harmony is the fundamental principle for prosperity. But before we continue, please like and subscribe if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful. First, let's talk about the position of the living room in the house. Ideally, the living room should be at the center of the house. While not inherently negative, a living room located on one side of the house is generally considered less favorable than those in a central position. In terms of color, the living room should always be bright, allowing sunlight to enter easily. It is recommended to maintain cleanliness, as a clean environment signifies diligence, which, in turn, attracts success and wealth. Although large windows may seem beneficial for a well-lit room, they can also let positive energy escape or negative energy enter. If the windows are too large, it is advisable to install blinds or curtains to regulate the flow of energy. Windows should not be obstructed by furniture, and allowing good ventilation in the room is crucial. Fresh air entering from outside can transform the negative energy within the house into positive energy. A well-lit room promotes the continuous flow of wealth. If the living room is naturally dark, additional lighting should be installed to create a bright space. Avoid keeping the living room dim, as it is believed to attract negative energy. Turning on all lights when the family gathers is recommended for promoting positive energy. Subtle lighting in the evening is also beneficial. When it comes to wallpaper, it is advisable to use light tones such as white or soft ivory, avoiding large and bold patterns. Bright and lively wallpaper can positively affect the mood of people entering the house. The sofa, which significantly influences the ambience of the living room, should be of moderate size. Placing the sofa diagonally, corresponding to the corner seen from the entrance, is considered auspicious as it is believed to gather wealth and vitality in that area. If placing the sofa diagonally is impractical due to the house structure, positioning it in a way that hides the view of people entering can be an alternative. Placing the sofa against the entrance or facing the window is not recommended. A fabric sofa with a warm feel is considered favorable in terms of Feng Shui. Family photos are considered the best items for enhancing harmony within the house. The height of picture frames should be slightly above eye level. Flower paintings or landscapes are believed not only to protect the family but also to elevate wealth. Flowers like sunflowers or peonies are associated with financial luck. Limit the number of frames or paintings on the wall, and avoid abstract or sharp-edged objects as they may harbor negative energy. Plants and flowers in the living room, whether large or small, contribute to a warm and inviting atmosphere, creating a sense of abundance and emotional stability. Having foliage plants can enhance positive energy. However, it is recommended to avoid placing plants taller than family members, as it may exert pressure. Simple and lightweight pots are preferable, and placing plants in front of an air conditioner can neutralize its cold nature. Curved plant arrangements can help neutralize and suppress negative energy. An aquarium with clear water is a good addition to the living room, symbolizing wealth. A rug can trap warmth in the living room, attracting positive energy. Tiger-themed decorations or artwork can dispel negative energy and bring in a healthy atmosphere. Owls, considered symbols of wealth, can be incorporated through decorations or clocks. Displaying awards and certificates received by family members is also considered good Feng Shui. Charcoal associated with burned or dead wood is considered unfavorable due to its connection with death. If necessary, it can be discreetly stored, such as wrapping it in a newspaper and placing it in a shoe cabinet. Dried flowers, dead plants, or pictures of dead trees are discouraged as they represent dead plants and are considered inauspicious. Antlers are not recommended due to their symbolism of conflict. Placing a mirror in the living room is believed to absorb positive energy and may disrupt family harmony. Balconies that directly bring in outside air can disturb family unity, and placing a sofa against the balcony or directly facing it is discouraged. Using bookshelves and plants to create a boundary in the expanded balcony is recommended. Placing Feng Shui-friendly items in favorable positions brings positive energy that stabilizes the mind. On the other hand, neglecting cleanliness and allowing disorder may strip away the positive energy of Feng Shui, potentially lowering the fortune of the house. By paying attention to these small details and implementing Feng Shui interior for the living room, you can start attracting wealth and prosperity into your household. Please like if you find Feng Shui interior information like this useful and subscribe to receive regular Feng Shui tips. It really helps small channel like us. I wish you and your household the blessing of harmony and prosperity.